What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on LIDO DAO and the LDO token, excuse me. It's a token I haven't covered in a long time, but I wanted to cover it today because, first of all, the price action for this token has been weird to say the least. We also took some trades on it in the Signal group. If you want to join that, I post daily trading signals and I've been a profitable trader this year, so if you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. One of the trades we took was actually a long order from here. So there you can also see the market was actually not that strong during this bullish momentum, but Lido has a little bit of a mind of its own. So today, again, we've been very, very bullish. I'm not sure whether this is manipulated or not. What you would need to check out, and we can check that out, obviously, is where some of the volume comes from, which I'm actually pretty interested by. I haven't seen it this far. But yeah, you can see quite a lot of volume like coming from BKEX, which is a little bit worrying. It's not the biggest exchange, but apart from that, also OKX and Uniswap, like almost 10% via Uniswap, is not normal, all right? So there's something with the price action that makes me feel it's a little bit more manipulated as compared to other cryptos. It's not the end of the world though. It does seem to respect technicals quite a bit. So yeah, like I said, it's not the end of the world, but we have to take it into account, right? I want to know that I didn't miss any news, because that would be a little bit embarrassing. I don't think I missed any news. No, I don't think so. But yeah, so if we actually take a look at Lido right now, given the fact that it's probably a little bit manipulated, we did get a bullish breakout. And it seems to be holding so far, even though Bitcoin is showing some bearish momentum. It seems to be holding. Where we found resistance is this level right here, around 2.32 and 2.33. Quite a strong level. It's the 0.618 fib of this entire move down, for example. So it's going to be tough to get there. The one thing that helps us though is that we got quite a major bullish breakout as well. And that is the level we found resistance at on Tuesday. And that's the level between 2.25 and 2.2. To keep it easy, technically it's a little bit around those corners, but still. So what's going to happen, in my eyes, is we're going to drop down to that level. If we can then hold it, and I would say we need to hold it at least for like 24 hours. So what is that? 6 candles. So we really confirm that bullish breakout. I think that's needed in these market circumstances, but we'll get to that a little bit later as well. If we can hold that, then I think we can break above that and get to the levels around 2.5 again. And perhaps if the market is bullish, we can get all the way up to 2.65. I genuinely think that given the track record that Lido DAO and the LDO token has, that's possible. It does depend on the market, right? I mean, if we can stay on top of that normally and Bitcoin is still bearish like this, then we'll just get up to 2.5 and we'll see from there. If you're interested in that, I can make an update, but let me know down in the comments. But the thing I'm kind of afraid of, and I'm not sure if I think it's the most likely scenario, but it's definitely a scenario you have to keep in mind, is that this is just a fake out, right? We all know that Lido DAO, when you take a look at it, we can rally a lot, but we sometimes after those rallies, we fall a lot as well. Like for example, I think that if we can hold that level and get a bullish breakout, I think we would actually fall very hard from 2.5 or 2.65, like I said, depending on the market circumstances. But what I'm afraid of is that we'll drop down to 2.2, for example, and then take a break retest off of 2.25 and drop down all the way to $2 and or to 2.1 and 2.05 very quickly. So that's kind of the thing to be afraid of. I would say breaking down below 2.2 is the biggest risk at this point of time. But like I said, at this point of time, it's a scenario to take into account. I don't think it's the most likely scenario. All right. So I just wanted to have named it. If you see that we drop down to 2.2 and take a break retest off of 2.25, perhaps be a bit cautious. Until then, I still think it's the most likely scenario that we'll get to 2.5. That's my take on Lido for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.